Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we will see a quick and delicious prawn recipe, and it's prawn malai tikka. This prawn recipe is a must try as it's so very delicious, infused with a smoky flavor, and can be enjoyed and served in any parties or special occasions. So friends, let's get started with this interesting prawn recipe. And here I have taken some medium-sized prawns which has been cleaned and deveined with tails intact. And now I'm going to season them with some salt as per taste. Around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And few drops of lemon juice. Now we'll mix this well. And we'll let them sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Next, take a mixing bowl and into it goes 2 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. Then goes 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic, green chilli and coriander leaves paste. I have used here a small piece of ginger, 4 large garlic pods, 2 green chilies and few coriander leaves, and then grind them into a smooth paste. Next goes 1 tablespoon of cashew paste. A teaspoon of fresh cream or malai. For seasoning goes 1/4 teaspoon of salt as per taste. We've also added some salt for marinating the prawns. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch. 1/4 teaspoon of my homemade garam masala powder. Then we'll add the juice of half a lemon. And finally goes a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Now we'll add the prawns into this mixture and mix them well. And to bind the marination batter with the prawns, I will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. We'll mix this well again. And to give a smoky flavor to our prawns malai tikka, we'll place a steel bowl in the center and into it goes a burnt charcoal. Next, we'll add a teaspoon of oil over it and immediately cover it with a plate or lid and let this rest for at least half an hour. After half an hour, we'll remove the lid as well as the steel bowl. Then here I have taken a wooden skewer which I will grease it with some oil. And now we will pierce the marinated prawns into the skewers one by one and arrange them in the skewers in this way. So arranging of our malai prawns in skewers is done, and now we can either grill them in a barbecue or a grill pan or in an oven in grill mode, and I'm going to grill them in a grill pan now. For that, heat a teaspoon of refined oil and a very small cube of butter. We'll brush the butter on all the sides of the grill pan. And when the pan is hot, we'll place the prawns arranged in skewers. Keep the flame on medium. After about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll flip the prawns and we'll grill the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes or until they are done. And by now, our prawns are ready with beautiful grill marks on it. So I will take them off and arrange them for serving. And friends, here goes our quick and delicious prawn malai tikkas. We'll serve this with a spicy green chutney and garnish it with few onion rings and lemon wedges. So friends, I hope you will try this interesting prawn starter recipe. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.